we say or use in the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. But suddenly we say at night. Are you confused with these English phrases? Wait, don't go. Let me solve this mystery for you in less than 5 minutes. Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Rishaa. If you want to learn English, you are in the right place. Let's dive into the video. In the morning but at night. We often use prepositions like in or at when we talk about time. Let's see some common English phrases. In the morning, in. Similarly, in the afternoon and in the evening. But we say at night. Are you confused? Wait, let me explain this for you. First, look at the rules and remember it. Use in when you talk about parts of a day. And use at when you talk about specific points in time. For example, at night, as we are already discussing about it, at noon, at midnight. Night is seen as a specific moment, not as a part of the day. That's why we say at night. Now let us look at a few examples. This will make you more clear. I like to walk in the morning. In the morning. She studies in the afternoon. I always sleep at night. The party starts at midnight. Starts at midnight. Wait, don't go. Let me share a memory tip for you. This is very important. Don't go away. Memory tip. Bigger period of time. If it is a bigger period of time, use in. If it's a pinpoint or moment, use at. Very important to remember. So, let's test you quickly. Which one is correct? A. I study in night, or B. I study at night. Comment your answer below. And if this video helped you, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel English with Rishaa. Stay tuned for more videos and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video.